All right, so I'm just going to go over a few details of what's going on the dash and the procedure to start the vehicle and what button does what. So I've got the motorcycle gauge here, which is your speedo, your tach, pretty much everything you need. The fuel sender does not go through this gauge though. There's another fuel gauge here. I've got water temp here. I've got oil pressure, and I've got wideband air fuel. Then I've got the turn signal lamps, high beam lamp, and shift indicator lamp. Now over here in the middle, we've got the ignition button, we've got a start button, we've got fan, headlights. This is for the rear fog light, and this one that says hazard is actually for the electric water pump, and the actual hazard button is down here under the dash. Now for startup procedure, it's like any other basic car. Key on, lights in neutral, we press the ignition button. These are switched buttons, so when it's on, it's a little bit indented. When it's off, it's flush. So just turn that on. We're going to hit the start button, and then we're going to turn on the water pump. So here we go. That's it, that's running. To shut it off, we can either use the key or you can just click the ignition button, and then make sure your water pump's off as well. And that's that. This car has full hydraulic brakes. There's no mechanical parking brake. So it has a hydraulic parking brake, which is here. Now, in order to use this properly, depress the foot brake, hit the button down, release the foot brake. Now, the e-brake is on, you won't be able to roll the car. And to pop this back up again, give it another whack, hit the brake pedal. If you see silver underneath the red knob, that means it's open circuit, brake's not on. So that's the basic rundown of the cockpit, the startup procedures, the stopping procedures, the parking. Everything else is how it is from the factory. Your high beam switch is on your stock, your turn signals are up on the stock. Drives like a normal car except sequential. 1 forward, 5 back. No reverse, and handbrake for doing fun turns, and that's it.